can a father do something so cruel to his own children? Pune district is once again shaken after a horrifying incident from the Alepata area exposed a crime that has left everyone once again speechless. In a case that questions humanity itself, a father allegedly became the killer of his own innocent children. The accused has been identified as Sagar Shinde, a resident of Moshi. According to police information, he took his own two children, 3.5-year-old daughter and 5.5-year-old son, out of the house, saying he was taking them for a ride. But behind the normal outing, a horrifying plan was already in his mind. Police says he took both the children deep inside the dense forest of Alekhindi near Junnar and allegedly strangled them before leaving them there alone to die. Tragically, little girl has lost her life in his brutal act, turning what should have been a safe childhood into a nightmare beyond the imagination. But in the middle of this terrifying incident, one unbelievable miracle has taken place. The elder brother somehow survived. Getting back into a normal stage inside the forest, the frightened 5-year-and-a-half-old child started walking through the jungle alone until he finally reached the highway. Imagine the fear and trauma that young child must have gone. Even some local people spotted the crying boy and immediately informed the police. That was the moment when the shocking truth of the entire case slowly started unfolding before the authorities. What makes this incident even more disturbing is what happened after the crime. The accused father allegedly returned home as if nothing had happened and started saying lies to his own family, claiming that he had left the children in Chakar. But when police began questioning him and tightened the security, his statements reportedly started changing. During the interrogation, he finally confessed crime, exposing the horrifying reality behind the disappearance of the children. Police suspects that domestic disputes or family-related tensions may have been the reason behind the shocking act. But one question is being asked across Pune: no matter how seriously family problems are, what fault did those innocent children have faced? One little girl has lost her life forever, and a young boy who survived death itself will now carry the emotional scars of the horrifying night for the rest of his life. The incident has not only shocked Pune district but also once again raised serious questions about growing violence and mental stress inside the family. People are angry, the community is demanding justice, and now all eyes are on the police and the legal system to ensure to take strict and possible punishment for the accused. Whether it is a family dispute, or money-related problems in the family, but the cause is seen by the children. Now the young boy will take the entire trauma in his life as an emotional scar. What are your thoughts? Do let us know in the comment box. I am Harjit Kaur with camera person Ajay from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.